So we are here. Model is known as the Fin. Oh man, they said this is the largest floor plan that they build here. It's even bigger than a house known as the Lexington. So I'm super excited to show this guys to you. I've never seen it. I love this feature wall that comes in and extends down as you walk into the community. Half bath here, double entry closet on this side. Ooh, I love this glass door that is showing you to the basement. That's a nice feature. It's closed off, but it's still open in a sense. So they've got the wrought iron um, holes on the steps, which is a nice look. If this was just a usual drywall knee wall, it would feel more closed off and not as open as it does. So family room, they said this one can extend to a fourth floor layout, which would be like a loft area. So you've got the bump out here with the fireplace. If the fireplace was not there, the wall would go back in. So that'd be extra space if a fireplace isn't your dream have in your home. A lot of people just don't care for them. Let's talk about this island. This one features five, much like the townhouses I showed you previously. But this is a nice, comfortable five. This is a massive, massive entertaining space and cooking space if you so choose. They've got a nice little coffee bar station going on over here, double door fridge, and they've got the vent hood. Now this is an upgrade. It's an option, but it's very visually appealing. They've done the lighter cabinets and the lighter countertops here. So, and then a nice warm floor to bring it all together. Backsplash is very muted, not too crazy, brings it all together. Here you've got the microwave and double oven. Let me make sure I'm saying that correctly because this could be both. Just the upper and the lower oven. Where would the microwave be? Because usually the new thing has been the microwaves being in the islands. Here's the dishwasher. Nice big one individual sink, single sink. A lot of people don't care for the double. I have the double, and I can understand why. When it comes down to large pots being, cleaned or used in that way, it's kind of hard. If you don't have a pot filler, it makes it kind of tough. So this is appears to be doing double duty as a microwave and an oven. Cool beans. Okay, so let's go this way. Let's see what else we have in this mudroom area. So oh, this is super cute to have like a little office setup situation, homework, command center, put all the mail, things, keys, hang them up here. And this will bring you back to the garage. This is another door with more closet space here to put things away as you come in. And they are using the super, super tall doors here. So it's a lot of drama added into this property that you'll see here, which I think is super cool. We've got a pantry here. It's a reach-in pantry, not a walk-in. But with let's be honest, guys, with all the cabinet space that we're seeing here, a pantry is the least of your worries, especially with all of this space back here, or this space that you can actually do anything you want with. This is just how they set it up and staged it as a welcome home command center. But I feel like more could be done here, more could be done here just to utilize the space however you see fit. Here, we've got the dining room area. This could be a bump out as well as this additional sitting area right back here, which is all open. It's not fully open. It has some breaks and barriers in the wall, but it still feels flowy, but not as massive and echoey if that's the word you would want to use. Okay, let's go through here. And we have another room on this floor that could definitely be used as a first floor bedroom option. For the multi-gen homes that people are more looking for, places for elderly parents or disabled family members, this could definitely be an option. Or a first floor office if you so choose. Once again, the options are endless. Nope, I messed up, guys. That's a sitting area for this bedroom. which is super bananas nice. This is great. Like the space in this bedroom is really decent. I love this being able to be another sitting area. I thought it was just, that's why this is the biggest floor plan. Surprise to me. Once again, I've never seen this house, so I'm walking right along with you guys and learning and exploring the same. So we go through here, and they have an ensuite here with the tub, shower option, single vanity, and a nice big walk-in closet. I will give this bidder credit. They really do good on closets when it comes down to creating spaces that people truly, truly can live in. This was a nice surprise. It could be an owner suite, but 9 times out of 10, I think this would be a great space. Like my mom would probably kill me if she could have this space down here. So let's go back through. Once again, I love the accent walls and the features that are created. And let's look back at this room again, guys, because when you come this way, this is separate. This does not have to be involved with the rest of the community and the rest of the home if they don't want to be, which gives you that the privacy that most are looking for. Older child, grandparent, uh, another family member that you just guys decided to buy a house together, and everybody wanted really nice spaces to enjoy. I had the pleasure of building that for another mom and daughter, and they wanted really nice equal spaces because they're partners in owning the home. So we go up. This nice big bright window makes everything feel very bright, open, not closed off, not dark and cavey. I love that. I'm sure bringing these floors to this level of floor up with me instead of a carpet, it's definitely an additional cost. But let's get a look of the layout. So we're here. This is a second bedroom. Really great size. They're repping the Westlake um, model here. Westlake High School is the area, the closer high school. I love this picture. That's super cool. My one people who love a good tennis shoe. Here is this bathroom attached. Once again, you can get a layout any way you choose, but this is super nice. Here is the laundry area. I'm in love. I love cabinets. I love the storage. I love the wet sink here when you want to wash something out. I just love all the options in here. Here's a double linen closet here in the hall, because you're going to have some more bedrooms we're going to have to talk about. Bedrooms and bathrooms. So here's bedroom number 3. This is a great size bedroom with amazing closet. My girls would kill for this closet. They wouldn't keep it clean, but they would kill for it. So we go across the hall. We have another bedroom. We're in bedroom 3 now. Ah, another great size bedroom. They're using full and queen beds so they can really show you the dimensions of this room and how big it can get. Here we're gonna go see another, I'm sure, another amazing closet. And here we go. Great space. Nice big windows inside. And here is your hall bath. That kind of serves kind of Jack and Jillish. You've got double vanities here. You've got a separate closet that separates the commode and the shower bathtub combo. I love that the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. That's always a beautiful, dramatic thing for me. Love to see that. But this bathroom is super huge. And once again, with that bedroom over there not sharing, that can keep arguments down in the house. But I do love this landing. I love the space that's created here. Really nice. Really nice. Really spacious. So let's go over to this side. This is the owner suite. I got it right, guys. Good job. So this owner suite here with tray ceilings. Once again, as you see the accent walls, those are definitely decorative, but something that gives you a nice visual and something cool to um, visualize and how you can use the space yourself. Oh yeah, this is the moneymaker right here. This closet, once again, I love this builder for the fact that they give such amazing closets. This closet is stunning, just absolutely stunning. How fun is this? It has so much space in here to really, 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 really live. Because if me and my husband have to share, give me that. So we've got more sitting area over here, which I absolutely adore. This is a nice surprise to be kind of around the corner from the bedroom. Still in the bedroom, but kind of set off to the side, and you can kind of really create a nice little cozy nook to read, watch TV, whatever you choose to do. Ah, here we go. We've got the standing tub. How pretty. The vanities are split, which kind of gives you a little bit more space and elbow room, and no arguments about whose stuff on whose side. You've got this a massive shower in here. Once again, everything is definitely optional. Probably not all standard, but that's the conversation you get to sit down and start to talk about what you want in your home. I love these massive windows here. They are absolutely great. They bring in so much light. Of course, you're gonna need some curtains because when you get in here and get ready for bath time, you definitely don't want the whole neighborhood to see you. But this is super pretty. And like I told you guys before, a while ago, they have started bringing back the wallpaper. Wallpaper is huge right now. But once again, we go back to this amazing sitting area. Walk through. You've got the tray ceilings. Beautiful owner suite here. Beautiful. With that crazy, ridiculous, large closet that come on, y'all. I love it. So fun. So we're gonna head downstairs. Told y'all helping me get my steps today. I'm so proud. But this is a beautiful floor plan. The Fin has not disappointed so far. In the first two floors that we've viewed, this has been a really nice visual to see for that family that needs a little bit more space and not two separate houses. So we're gonna head downstairs. And I'm loving the space already. How awesome is this, guys? This room just goes and goes and goes. And I love, once again, I love all the accent walls that they've used here. Here. We've got entertainment sections. The room can be cordoned off, but it can be open as well. I love the flexibility of that. This kitchen center down here, wet bar area. If you wanted a bar, if you don't want a bar, it's totally up to you. That space can be used as a small fridge to hold beverages and things. Here's another bathroom down on this level. And they've made it a full bath, which is great um, because they have a bedroom down here. So we have seen a number of bedrooms in this house. We are at 6 bedrooms at this point. So great spacing in this house. Really, really nice. This is not a walk out. It is a walk up, but it's a very short walk up. So these 5 steps is not too extreme. The rule of thumb, I'm a big fan, keep that drain clear so there are no floods in your basement. They did a paver patio out back to lead you around to the fire pit and the sitting area. Really nice. This basement is amazing. And guess what, guys? That's not the end of it. It keeps going. So I'm so super excited to continue to show you more and more of this home. Here is a theater room. How cool is that? So, theater room, tons of space. How do you want to use it? Are you movie people? I'm not. I don't even know if I'm a movie person anymore. I don't know if I want to hang out in my basement. I really don't. I have a gym. So, what is the option? What are the things that you would prefer in your basement area? Is it a theater room? Is it a gym like me? That's up to you. So, we'll go back up to the top. I'll show you the front of the home, and that will be the end of this tour. So, if you have any questions, curiosities about the Waldorf area, Southern Maryland area, give me a call. The builders are my buddies. I love to hang out with them and come see what they have to offer so I can show you. So give me a call if you have questions about this particular home. This one is featuring a front porch. This is where the garage would have been. And this is the front of the home with that front porch setting. As you can see, we get a better visual. This way, if I walk out a little further, step on the pretty laid grass, and look this way. This is what this house looks like from the outside. So different from what we just saw. So that's it.